Have you ever tried to change a habit? Maybe to exercise more, wake up early, or stop proc- procrastinating, procrastinating, but ended up slipping back into your old routine? If so, you are not alone. But if but what if I told you that you do not need more motivation, willpower, or talent? What you need is better system. That's exactly what today's book is all about. Atomic Habits by James Clear, first published on October 16, 2018. This book became a global phenomenon, selling over 15 million copies, translated into 50 plus languages, and used by athletes, CEOs, students, and everyday people to change their lives, one small habit at a time. James Clear, the author, is a speaker, productivity expert, and a writer behind one of the most read personal development newsletters in the world. And in this video, we are going to explore how habits actually work, why most people fail to change, and how you can apply the atomic habits system to transform your daily life or business. So let's begin with the question, what does atomic habits actually mean? Let's start with the title, Atomic Habits. Why atomic? Because atoms are tiny, but they hold massive power. Likewise, small habits, when repeated consistently, become extraordinarily powerful over time. This book is not about making huge changes, it's about doing small things. 1% better every day, tiny decisions, small improvements, which compound just like interest into remarkable results. Clear's philosophy is simple. You do not rise to the level of your goals, fall to the level of your systems. To change behavior, we need to understand how habits work. Every habit every habit follows a four-step loop. Number one is cue, the trigger. For example, your phone buzzes. Number two is craving, you want to check it. Number three is response, you open Instagram. And number four, reward, you get pleasure or relief. Over time, these loops get reinforced. Bad habits, same process. Good habits, same process. The secret is don't rely on motivation, focus on reshaping this loop. So now let's discuss the four laws of behavior change. Mr. Clear gives us a simple system to build good habits called the four laws of behavior change. The law number one is called make it obvious. Q. If you want to build a habit, you must clearly define when and where it happens. For example, I will meditate at 7 a.m. in my bedroom. This is called an implementation intention. You can also use habit stacking. After I brush my teeth, I will journal for 1 minute. Make the cue so obvious that you can't ignore it. Then the law number two, make it attractive. Craving. Pair your habit with something you enjoy, called temptation bundling. For example, I will only watch Netflix after I walk 5,000 steps. Also, surround yourself with people who already do the behavior you want because habits are contagious. Join a tribe where your desired behavior is the normal behavior. Law number three, make it easy. Response. Don't try to be perfect, try to be consistent. Make habits so small they are impossible to fail. For example, one push up, 1 minute of writing, one glass of water. It's not about intensity, it's about identity. Repetition creates automation. Clear says standardize before you optimize. Then comes law number four, make it satisfying reward. What gets rewarded gets repeated. Track your habits visually, use a habit tracker, a journal, or a calendar. Make progress feel good. For example, put an X on the calendar each day you write. Give yourself a mini reward after completing your habit. Rule never miss twice. Most people focus on goals. For example, I want to lose weight, I want to earn more, I want to study better. Clear flips that. He says, focus on identity. The goal is not to read a book, the goal is to become a reader. The goal is not to run a marathon, the goal is to become a runner. When your habits are part of your identity, they become automatic. Ask yourself, who is the type of person I want to become? What small habit proves that identity today? How to break a bad habit? To stop a bad habit, invert the four laws. Number one, make it invisible. Remove the cue, for example, delete the app. Number two, make it unattractive. Reframe the craving. For example, social media steals your time. Make it difficult. Add friction. For example, log out every time. Number four, make it unsatisfying. Add accountability. For example, tell a friend or use an app that charges you money when you slip. Bad habits are not broken in a day, but they are broken one decision at a time. Clear emphasizes this powerful idea that goals are good for setting direction, systems are best for making progress. A goal might be writing a book, but the system is write 500 words every morning. A goal might be get fit, but the system is exercise 20 minutes 4 times a week. If you set goals without a system, you will always be restarting. If you build systems, the results will follow naturally. We think success is about willpower, but James Clear shows environment shapes behavior more than motivation. If your workplace if your workplace is messy, you will struggle to focus. If your kitchen is full of junk food, your diet will suffer. Design your environment for success. Place a book on your pillow to remind you to read. Keep your running shoes near the door. Hide distractions out of sight, out of mind. Let's recap the key lessons for from Atomic Habits. Tiny changes, big results. Focus on systems, not just goals. Identity shapes behavior and vice versa. The four laws of behavior change can build or break any habit. Your environment is your silent partner. Design it well. You don't need to be perfect. You need just consistent. As James Clear puts it, every action you take is a vote for the type of a person you want to become. So cast your votes daily, not for who you are today, but for who you are becoming. Thanks for watching. If this breakdown helped you, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more timeless lessons on success, productivity, and personal growth. What's one small habit you are going to start today? Let me know in the comments below. And if you would like a PDF guide, daily habit tracker, or a video on how to apply atomic habits to your business, comment guide and I will make one for you. See you in the next one.